time to feed the birds. Okay, I'm going to fill up this one. Wow. Pour this in. Wow. Time to fill these two. Now I use these nuggets. They look like this. Okay, I'm going to do 5. So 1. That should be 5 there. 5 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope the birds are hungry because they've got a lot. There's supposed to be like nuts in this one, but I'm just going to put 2 of these in it because like I feel a bit bad for the birds. Like sometimes the birds don't get a lot of food. Now I'm going to the other side of the garden. Here, these 2 here. Don't get my face in it.
I'm videoing you.
Bit messy, guys, but the birds will be happy.